Okay, diagnosing our flow meter problem. We think that that also is a pinout wiring issue. So here is this is our flow meter schematic, and next to 12 volt positive we wrote not used at one time. This is from a year or so ago, but I believe the reason that says not used is I think our flow meters run on 5 volts, not 12 volts. So we just made a little cheater harness here. We made a little 5-pin connector with colored wires on it that match the schematic. So then what we could do is we could take the harness coming from the Road Fox, because we don't know what color wires these are, and we could actually pin them out and check the colors back to the beginning of the harness. And then we also checked to see what these were in our round connector pin. And what we're coming up with right now is that there's no 5 volt signal or 5 volt power supply coming through this connector. There's a 12 volt power supply, a ground, and a signal on meter 1. The ground and the signal are in the right position, but the 5 volt is not in the right position. So we're going to take this plug apart. We're going to cut the shrink wrap off from this, take this plug apart, and try to reposition this pin over to the 5 volt signal side. And I think coming out of the harness, coming out of the Ag Otter harness, we should have a 5 volt signal there. So maybe we'll check that before we put all that together. But I think that's where our meter problem is. I think we're sending 12 volts to our 5 volt meter. So we'll have more on that soon.